Hello everyone, welcome to blockchain tutorial series. My name is Vivian. So in this video, we're gonna talk about how to write our first smart contract in Ethereum. So I'm gonna, you know, explain this video in two videos. That is, the first video would be setting up the environment, and the second video would be the coding part, which we'll be doing in a Remix Ethereum IDE. So the two steps that we have over here is, the first step is we need to set up the environment. All right, the first thing that we have to do is we need to set up an environment. To write a smart contract, we need a network, right? So it could be any sort of network. uh, we have to connect with an Ethereum network or a test network, right? So we'll get back to this in a couple of minutes. So right, so how do you connect this system to the network? Either it is test network or main network, that is secondary, but how do you connect this system to a network? So in this case, in order to make your browser a distributed one, we need to add a plugin, right? So in this case, we'll be adding MetaMask plugin. So what is MetaMask? MetaMask is a browser plugin that allows users to make Ethereum transactions through regular websites. Simple as that. So now, how do you actually set up your MetaMask account? So before that, you need to get your Chrome extension of MetaMask, and once you are done with that, once you get the extension over here, you need to click on Get Start. So this is the official MetaMask account over here. I've got the extension for this, and right now, see, okay, so you've got import wallet and create a wallet. So import wallet, if you already have an account, but I already have it, but still I'm going to create a new wallet over here. Agree, and then say I'm gonna MetaMask 123, and then MetaMask 1234, say. All right, so just agree this and this, say create. And okay, so now you'll be having a secret backup phrase, right? So in this, you'll be given with some words which are in a particular order, and then you'll be asked to type that words again in the further steps, and that's how the process goes on. So just so take a screenshot of this, and see that you have to copy the same things in the other videos, in the other steps. So I'm going to click on next. So the first word that I have over here is spoon, and the next is ugly, and the next is demand, and let me finish this and I'll get back to you. All right, so once you're done with that, you'll be popped up with a window which is called as connection request. So as you can see over here, Remix Ethereum ID would like to connect to your account. Click on connect, and yeah, successfully we have created our MetaMask account. As you can see over here, we've got 0 ethers over here, and this is my account, and this is my account address that you can actually copy, and you can share it with others to get ethers, or for any sort of transactions. And as you can see over here, you can deposit and you can send. And right now we are on our main Ethereum network. We can use test network, or see, at the moment I clicked on test network, it's asking me to reload the site. That is the Remix Ethereum IDE. So if I click on OK, if I reload it, uh, you'll be getting this over here. So and also you can work on a test network over here, ringp, or other test networks. You can also run it locally and on main networks as well. So yeah, that's how you create your own first smart contract. In the next video, we're gonna discuss about writing our smart contract in Solidity in Remix Ethereum IDE. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.